What is a telecommunications satellite? We need satellites for lots of things in everyday life, like for this. But how can all the fans around the world actually watch this game? Well, video and sound are encoded into electromagnetic waves that travel to a satellite. The satellite filters the signal to make it clear, amplifies it, and sends it back to the Earth. But it can only be sent in a straight line. Since our planet is round, we often need more than one satellite to relay the signal. Fortunately, there is always a satellite not far from your home. Goal! By the way, the signal travels at the speed of light, so the whole transmission only takes around a quarter of a second. Wow! Telecommunications satellites not only broadcast TV signals, it's very likely that they work for you when you call your friend, play an online game, or find the right way when you get lost. Even Grandma uses them to catch up with you. They are also helpful in remote areas when nothing else works. And thanks to the constellation of telecommunications satellites, there will soon be access to the internet all around the globe. And you, what message would you like to send to the other side of the Earth?